Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Philly cheesesteak sliders. Alright, I'm starting out here in a skillet. I have 2 tablespoons of butter that I'm melting. And I'm going to add in 1 green bell pepper and 1 onion that I diced up. And I'm going to fry this over medium to medium-high heat until the vegetables turn translucent and they soften up. Alright, while my onions and peppers saute and are almost done, I have 4 tablespoons of butter here I melted in this little dish. We're going to mix in a teaspoon of beef base. A little stuck on there. This is better than bouillon, something like that. Or you could use a spoon of the granulated beef base. And you just want to whisk that into the butter. Right now that I have my beef and butter mixture mixed together in a 9x13 baking pan, I spray with some canola cooking oil. I took a 12-pack of dinner rolls and I cut them in half. And I'm going to take my beef butter mixture and we're just going to put this down over top of the rolls. And what this is going to do, this is going to add an extra beefy flavor. Alright, now that I have my buns pretty well slathered, and you should use up all of your butter and beef mixture. Alright, now I have some deli roast beef here I cut at the grocery store. I'm going to take this and I'm going to layer it on top of the rolls. And you just want to cover your rolls up with it. Alright, now that I have my rolls all covered with roast beef, I'm going to take my peppers and onions and I'm going to put them on top of the roast beef. And you just want to smear them out evenly. Alright, now I have some sliced provolone cheese we're going to layer on top of the peppers and onions. And guys, it's going to be good. And this will, as it melts, it'll spread out. So we're going for 6 slices. I'm going to take the tops of my dinner rolls and we're just going to put them on top. Alright, now you could melt more butter and brush it on top, but I'm going to take the easy way out today, the lazy way. I'm going to take some of my canola spray the top of my dinner rolls. I'm going to cover this with foil, and we're going to put this in a 350-degree oven covered with foil for 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, I'm going to take it out. I'm going to take the foil off and let it go for another 10 or 15 minutes to help brown up the top of the rolls. Alright guys, these just came out of the oven. They only took 10 more minutes, so it was a total of 20 minutes for the baking time. You can see the cheese is all nice and melted. The tops are all nice and browned. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and try this. They're going to be hot. The roll has a nice crisp to it, nice little crunch. Got that cheese melted in there, and that beefy onion, or that beefy butter flavor made the onions and peppers really beefy. The roast beef was warm through and tender. That's really delicious, guys, and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Philly cheesesteak sliders. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.